Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you the Ocushield anti-blue light screen protector for your smartphone. This Ocushield screen protector has been designed to protect your eyes from blue light which digital devices typically emit. By doing this, eye strain can be reduced and you can sleep better at night. This screen protector is for iPhone 6, but they are also available for other devices. So let's see what comes inside the box. On the inside flap of the box there is a step-by-step guide for applying the screen protector. There is the anti-blue light screen protector inside an installation tray. The screen protector itself is made from tempered glass and doesn't affect screen colours. There is also a cloth and dust removers and a further information leaflet. The installation tray enables you to connect the screen protector to your phone smoothly. So now let's see how to actually put the screen protector on your smartphone. First, clean your screen using the wet cleaning wipe provided. Then dry it using the dry cloth. Finally, use the dust remover to remove any excess dust on the screen. Next, remove the foam board from the installation tray. Then peel back the film on the screen protector. Now place the installation tray on top of the phone with the screen of your phone facing upwards. Now press the arrow label from bottom to top to stick the protector to your screen. Then peel off the arrow label. Now remove your phone from the applicator and use the dry cloth to remove any excess bubbles. I've now removed the bubbles from the screen, and as you can see, the screen protector does not change the colour of the screen. So overall, a win-win. Protect your screen and your eyes at the same time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and tricks on the latest technologies. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.